What's up, YouTubers? Mike Johnston here from Mike'sLessons.com. Welcome into this somewhat difficult independence lesson. And if you heard the intro and you thought, there's no way I could do that, well, that's because this is an advanced independence exercise. You can always go to Mike'sLessons.com and start on our independence courses there, and we start at the beginner level, and you can work your way up to stuff like this. This is from one of the advanced independence course lessons. So let's get into it. What are we doing here? Well, let's figure out the ride and the hi-hat. That's just a simple ostinato. It's really just the jazz pattern straightened out. So instead of 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, it's that thing except for straightened out to 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. So let's just try that nice and slow. So we have that two-voice ostinato going on with our right hand and our left foot. Ostinato means repeated pattern. And then we're having this conversation between our bass drum and our snare drum. That's the real independence. It's four-way independence. And you're playing paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle on a loop. So paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle-diddle, paradiddle. But the right foot is taking place of the right hand. So keep in mind, after one bar, this will alternate. Alternate? This will alternate, and you gotta be ready for that. This will alternate. So you're going to have so you've got that paradiddle diddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle. And you do that while playing that two-voice ostinato. Let's try it really slow, 60 beats per minute. Holy hell, that's tough as stuff. It's tough as stuff. There's stuff that's tough, and that's tough stuff right there. All right, so we're gonna speed that up. Now, goal tempo on this is even twice as fast as that. Goal tempo is 130 BPM. So let's try it real quick at our goal tempo. 1, 2, holy crap! Okay, wish me luck. 1, 2, here we go. I had to get out of it before it just fell apart. That's pushing my max right there. So this is an awesome independence exercise, but with any independence exercise, you always want to ask yourself, why the heck are you doing this? This for me is building up my vocabulary underneath this so that I can legitimately have a conversation between kick and snare. I'm a little out of breath, but that's so much fun. And so to be able to have that freedom to just go dang, jigga, dang, jigga, dang, jigga, dang, ba, ba, digga, da, doom, saka, digga, bagga, digga, 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 bone, doom, down, doom, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of work to freely speak between kick and snare over the top of an ostinato like that. Independence exercises like this will help. Now, if this is too advanced for where you're at in your personal timeline, don't freak out. Just go to Mike'sLessons.com and click on the Independence course button and you will be all set. I'll start you from the beginning there. I hope you got something out of this. I hope you make something out of this. Make it uniquely you. Tag me in the video and I can't wait to check it out. Until then, have a great day.